Oh, hi, welcome back. Let's turn your 2D object into a 3D object in Adobe Illustrator. So let's say if you have this light bulb icon from the logo of Tongue Tips, and then you click on it, and then you head over to Effects, 3D and Materials, and then you click on Extrude and Bevel. You've just created a 3D object out of the 2D icon, just like so, and then you can adjust the depth by dragging this slider for depth, and then you can twist it, but I don't recommend that. You can rotate the 3D object by dragging each of the sliders for X, Y, and Z rotation, just like so. And then you can also do things with the lighting. You can adjust the direction of the lighting by dragging the white dot to any position so that you get the shading that you want. And then you can also change the intensity of the lighting as well, the color of the lighting. I like it white though. The softness as well, the height, and then you can add the shadows as well by clicking here. Best if we not use shadows. So you can click on several lighting presets so that you can have this 3D lighting that you want. Alright, this is cool. This is good. And then you can do some tweaks with the materials as well. If you click on one of these substance materials, it will turn into this. Oh yeah, cool. Stone material. Nice. Concrete material. Also nice. Stitch material. Cool. But alright. I prefer the default one, which is the material that we saw earlier. For our 3D object, you can even inflate it to bring some smoothness into your 3D object. And you can head over to extrude, and then you can turn on the bevel so that you can have this a more stylistic look for your 3D object. So that's it for the video about making your 2D objects 3D in Illustrator. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.